In this video, I'm going to show you how to make beef burgundy with noodles using your slow cooker. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 pounds of lean beef stew meat, 1 8-ounce package of egg noodles, 1 onion, 3 cups of sliced carrots, 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of tomato paste, 3/4 cup of beef broth, 1/2 cup of zinfandel, 2 garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of rosemary, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme leaves, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 8-ounce package of mushrooms. First thing you're going to need to do is slice the carrots, chop the onion, and mince the garlic. Place the beef in a large bowl and add the flour. Toss the beef in the flour until it's coated well. Place the beef, onions, mushrooms, garlic, and carrots in the slow cooker. Now in a separate bowl, add all of the other ingredients except for the egg noodles and stir together. Using a whisk makes stirring the paste a lot easier. Now add the liquid mixture to the slow cooker, cover and cook on low for 8 hours. After the 8 hours, you're almost finished. Cook your egg noodles per the instructions on the package. Now top the noodles with the beef mixture and enjoy. If you do try to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.